Hi, my name is Antara Vilas Amradekar. I am currently interning for the Sparks Foundation as a data science and business analytics intern. So, the first task that we are given is to predict using supervised machine learning. The necessary links that are needed are provided in the description box. Kindly please do check it. So the objective of our data is to find the predicted score of a student if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day. So the method that I've used is simple linear regression. Before starting, I have imported all the necessary libraries that I'm going to use. So I have imported pandas, numpy, matplotlib.pyplot and seaborn. The next thing that I've done is imported the data. So as you can see, it is a CSV file. So in order to check if our data that we have imported is correctly imported or not, I have used the function df.head parentheses. So we can see that hours and scores are in columns and it looks pretty good. So I think we are good to go. The next thing that I've done is check the number of rows and columns. So there are 25 rows and 2 columns. What I've done next is found out the overall information about the data. So from this we can see that there are total 25 entries in each column, that is hours and scores, and there are no null values in them, and the data type for hours is float and the data type for scores is integer. Next thing that I've done is descriptive statistics. So I've found out the average mean, how many values are there in each column, the standard deviation, the minimum and maximum values, and the quartile ranges. The next thing that I've done is used seaborn scatterplot in order to plot the data. So to get a better visualization, I've used this. So from this we can see that there is a positive relationship between hours and scores. In order to get a better understanding, I have used a regression plot. So this line, which we can see, is upward tending. It says that if a student puts more number of hours, he or she is likely to score higher. In order to quantify my data, I have utilized correlation method. So we can say that hours and scores are highly correlated because the correlation value is 0.976, which is very high. What I've done next is separate my feature variable, which is my x values, and target variable, which is my y value, and then I have divided the data into trained data and test data. So I have imported the train test split from sklearn.model_selection. I have taken the test size as 0.2, so my trained data is going to be 0.8. The next thing that I've done is model building. So I'm using linear regression over here, which I'm importing from sklearn.linear_model. Next I found out the regression coefficient and intercept. So the model equation that we have over here is scores, which is our dependent variable, is equal to 2.018, which is our beta naught value, plus 9.910, which is our beta 1 value, into hours, which is our independent variable. In order to showcase this model equation, I have utilized regression plot. So as you can see, the trained model has an upward trend over here. So we can say that there is a positive relationship between hours and percentage scored. Next thing that I've done is predict the value for test data set using the trained model. And then I have compared the actual values and the predicted values. So from this you can see that the values are not too far away from each other. So we can say that the trained data is predicting the values pretty well. In order to visualize it in a better way, I have utilized the seaborn KDE plot. So the blue shaded part are the actual values and the red shaded part is our predicted values. So as you can see, the values are overlapping almost. So we can say that our predicted values are almost similar to the actual values. In order to quantify this, I have determined the R square. So I imported R square from sklearn.metrics, and the R square value that I've got is 0.945. So from this we can conclude that the model is actually a very good fit. So lastly, utilizing all the data that we have got, I have predicted the score for 9.25 hours put in by a student per day. So the predicted score that we have got is 93.69. So we can conclude that if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day, he or she will be able to score 93.69 marks. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Kindly please give your feedbacks. Thank you so much.